Governor David Umahi of Ebonyi State shot to national and perhaps international prominence as the first sitting governor in Nigeria to be sacked by a court's decision on the grounds of defection. Though solace worthy of rejoicing for the Ebonyi State emsman eventually arrived following an appeal court decision to obtain the lower court's judgment, the case has left in its trail different implications and reactions. A former lawmaker in Ondo State, Afe Olowokere, said despite the latest court decision, the earlier judgment has infused some level of sanity in Nigeria's politics.
The first judgment has sent a signal, and you can see some of those that have initially jumped the gun rushing back to their political party, members of the Senate, House of Representatives. Some of them rush back to their party that they have earlier abandoned. So it has a significant implication.
A political scientist and university lecturer, Dr. Akinola Adekunle, said the case has formed a basis to improve Nigeria's constitution by clearly spelling out sanctions for defecting executives.
If we see political party as a vehicle through which people are being elected, so if you are elected on a platform of PDP, for instance, and you now decide to cross carpet to APC, so the constitution is still not clear as to what is going to happen. So it is possible that subsequent electoral reform or constitutional reform in Nigeria might now categorically state what happened if someone is if a governor is elected under a particular platform and decide to defect to another platform, so it may be included, because it's also the processes of lawmaking is also about true cases. So the recent case now will be gathered to form a basis to improve the constitution.
While it is not uncommon for politicians to attribute their defection to the yearning of the people or division in their party, a social commentator, Olusegun Akinsende, opined that the centralization of resources through implementation of party supremacy will contribute to stemming the tide of defection in Nigeria.
They rely on the strength that they want to enjoy the largesse and the friendship of federal government. There won't be such excuse. You will now man your resources. You now know that by the grace of God, you are in charge. You look within. What are the things you need to do to governize resources, to governize development, to ensure that there is good governance for your people? That will be your thinking. Your thinking will not be to jump from one party to another. Is there anything that is unresolvable in political party? No, there is nothing.
Cross River State Governor Ben Ayade and his Zamfara State counterpart, Bello Matawale, have also been caught in a similar web with their defection facing order at the court of law.
Politics is not about morality, but politics devoid of morality too is not good. What's the implication for other matters still pending before different courts of the land? Say the one concerning Cross River, or the ongoing situation in the House of Assembly in Ondo State. My humble submission is that the position of the Constitution at the end of the day will prevail.
While the last might not have been seen in the case involving Governor David Umahi of Ebonyi State, Nigerians have also fixed their gaze on the pendulum currently swinging in other matters. Zaheed Aribisala, OSRC News.